Okay, so today I purchased a new filter, Fluval AquaClear. So I'm going to unbox it and set it up. Okay, before assembling, I would like to show what was in the box. So for some reason there are two of these, which sucks up the water from the tank. Both a pipe, and this is a level adjuster. I'm not sure what this is for, but and this is the basket which hold the 6-inch media inside the filter. So now I'm gonna assemble it and set it up. Okay, so I assembled the filter and set up on the 20 long tank, and this is what it looks like on the 20 long tank. And inside the filter, it has a sponge, carbon, and the media. And then you can adjust the flow of the filter by using this knob right here. And that's about it for this video. Oh, and one more thing, the level adjuster goes right here to adjust the space between the tank and the filter, as you can see, or not. Well, anyways, thank you for watching.